Welcome back guys, and in this video we are going to see the explicit weights in Selenium WebDriver. So in the previous video we have seen the implicit weight, right? And in the previous video we have discussed the different types of weights in Selenium. So if you have not gone through those videos, then I would request you to go through those videos so that you can understand this particular video very clearly, right? So the first question arises is that why do we need explicit weight when we have already implicit weight? And implicit weight, waits for the complete script, right? Each and every line it is applicable to. So why do we need explicit weight? Why do we need to wait separately for an element? So the answer is that you are waiting for 4 seconds for the complete script, right? For example, if suppose there is an element which takes 10 seconds to load, then will the script be able to locate that particular element? No, right? Because that particular element is taking long time. That means 10 seconds. And you have just provided 4 seconds for the script to wait. So you have to wait explicitly for that particular element. Why? Because you cannot just, keep changing this to 5 and then keep changing this to 7 and then look whether that, element is located by the script or not. And then finally you come on to 11 seconds so that that particular element, which is taking 10 seconds, can be located by your script, right? So this is not possible. So you can explicitly wait for that particular element, right? Now, how to explicitly wait? Let us see. Okay. For example, in the previous video, we, hovered over our mouse to electronics section and then we, clicked over the camera drones option, right? We did this. So let me tell you in the script. Here we moved to the ebay.com and then we waited implicitly for, 4 seconds for the complete web page to load. And then, we found the electronics section and then we moved to the electronics section using the actions class, and then we performed the action and then we clicked over the camera drones option, right? So now we need to explicitly wait. How can we explicitly wait? Because explicit wait is for a particular element, we will wait explicitly just before finding that particular element, right? Before finding this particular element. So let me comment this line out. Now in order to explicitly wait, you first need to create the WebDriver wait class object. Okay, so WebDriver wait. So I'm creating the object name as wait only, right? Wait is equals to new WebDriver wait, right? And then here we need to provide the, first let me import WebDriver wait class. Okay, so it got imported here, right? You can see it got imported. So here we need to provide the, driver reference and then comma, and then we will use the duration class over here. Duration and then dot of seconds, right? So we need to wait for, for example, 5 seconds. So I'll provide 5 seconds, right? I don't know. Yeah, remove this F. Okay, I'm providing 5 seconds, right? And I'm closing this line. Now we can use this particular wait object, wait, and then we will write here until, and then we need to provide expected conditions. Okay, so we will write here expected conditions. Now what is the expected condition? What are you expecting? You are expecting for the visibility of the camera drones option, right? You are expecting that the camera drones option be visible over the web page so that we are able to click over it, right? Nothing else you are expecting. So we will, write the conditions visibility of element and then provide the XPath of the camera drones option. There are various conditions. You can go through the Java docs and also you can play with them in your script. But for now, I'm not, moving to all the expected conditions. I'm just providing the visibility of element located by XPath. So I'll provide a dot over here and then visibility of element located by XPath. So where it is, see, visibility of element located by and then locator, right? So we will write here visibility of element located and then by and then XPath, right? So we will provide the XPath of our, camera drones option, which is this. So I'll paste it over here in the double quotes. So pasting the XPath, and then we need to click over it, right? So let me check out the brackets first, second, and third. So after the third bracket, we need to write here dot click, right? And then we need to close this particular line. So commenting out the, this particular line because it is of no use now, right? So saving this particular script. So now our, expected conditions has been set up, and whole explicit wait conditions are set up, and the script is written perfectly because there is no error denoting over the script, right? So let me run this particular script and show you that whether our script is navigating to electronic section and clicking over the camera tones option or not. So running the script, and the script is running. The, Chrome browser will open and ebay.com is opening. It moved to the electronic sections and it clicked over the camera drones, right? So you can see that the camera drones got clicked because we explicitly waited for the camera drones option, right? And I've already shown you that if we had not provided wait, then the camera drones option was unclickable, right? In the previous video, I have shown you. So this is how we apply the, explicit wait in the Selenium WebDriver. We will meet in the next video and study the fluent wait. Okay, so till then, keep watching, keep revising, and keep learning. Thank you.